Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, this is Neo and welcome to the episode. Right here in front of you is the AIO5 Lite and it is a smart riding system. Today's episode, let's find out if gaano ka-useful yung Chigee AIO5. So, let's go! So maraming salamat sa M2 Motorcycle Garage kasi they provided the unit and installed it as well. So the Chigee AIO5 is a smart riding system that acts like a head unit for your motorcycle. So itong motor ko is a Z900 RS, barely any technology in it. Ayun, dahil sa Chigee AIO5, ang laki na in-improve. Check out natin yung other details and specifications niya sa video na to. For the cameras, they shoot at Full HD so malinaw ang kuha. May date and timestamps din for reference. Looks fantastic even at low light and at night. May image stabilization din. What I've noticed ay may glare sa likod due to headlights, but you can still see and read the details. Also, the recordings come with audio. And here is a sample. So maririnig nyo yung nangyayari even if the engine is turned off. My setup includes a 128GB memory card, but I can copy the video files that I need sa aking mobile phone via the Chigee Go app. By the way, here's how fast my phone connects to the AIO5. Plus, it is automatic so no need to tinker with your phone. Talk about convenience. Here you can see the AIO5's processing speed, screen response, and it works really well even with your gloves on. And you may choose your preferred display. It connects simultaneously with your communication device. Your phone will indicate that there are two devices connected. You have 4 quick buttons located above the head unit, where you can switch to your preferred function. Here's the meter display, but as you can see, there are some data missing like the throttle and engine temperature. My bike's throttle and ECU is not compatible, but that is okay. What I heard is para sa GS talaga yon, sa mga BMW units. Anyway, other stuff on that, I can check the voltage, the altitude I'm in, the time that I was riding, and gaano kalaki yung trip ko. Though, meron naman talaga yun dito. But, that's added things. Tulad na itong voltage na napaka-importante, I know na nasa tamang voltage yung aking battery. And bukod doon, I can easily check kung nasa tamang temperature and tamang pressure ang aking mga gulong. Here you can see it has dampeners, avoiding any damage from excessive shaking and bumps. This is not common among smart riding systems for motorcycles. When you turn off your bike, it will display data that can be useful, or you like to keep track of things. Also, this is perfectly sealed and is weatherproof. Here are some practical uses of the Chigee AIO5. From our last long ride, I was the spearhead and I navigated the way, as I can clearly and actively see the map and easily transfer information to my riding buddies. The AI blind spot warning I can say is fairly useful, especially in expressways. Check the warning and my side mirror for accuracy. I recommend this to beginners since it helps in road awareness, and that is a big deal in motorcycling. However, on city riding, it might keep on warning you, so medyo pasaway siya doon. Anyway, the speedometer is fairly accurate, even at higher speeds. Give at least 3 to 6 kilometers per hour, margin of error. So constant connectivity is one of the important things, and the AIO5 did not disappoint. Never did I experience any disconnection from CarPlay. Zero hassle. In city riding, I can sometimes just turn it into a rear view mirror and can easily see approaching vehicles at traffic lights without having to lean backwards. You may ask if nagpa-park ako in public spaces. Well, to lessen the chances, meron akong dalang cover, just like this. Anyway, if you're going to buy from Chigee, you have the option to choose your bundle. So yung bundle ko right now is yung main unit itself, front and back cameras, and then yung TPMS sensors. But if kailangan mo yung main unit lang, that is fine. And you can just add in your additional bundles. Actually, meron pa yung buttons na that is accessible on the left handlebar, pero that's enough. Hindi ko na kinuha kasi it has easy access naman in the front. So it makes riding a lot more easier and more convenient. Alright, no? So the Chigee AIO5 targets the higher bracket ng market. Let's say, mga example, mga GS owners, mga multistrada owners, and the likes. And I got the question, if marami akong motor, let's say meron akong GS 1300 dito, and meron akong M1000RR dito. But, ayun, unfortunately, I cannot transfer the unit itself. Kasi yung harness niya is directly installed or directly connected sa unit. So, hindi ko siya pwede transfer. And it's actually a safety feature. Yung mounting niya or yung mga screws is only accessible by a specific tool. For the whole month that I was able to use the Chigee AIO5 Lite, it made huge improvements to my riding convenience. Mainly as part of practicality, sense of security, navigation, entertainment, safety, and documentation. I can use it throughout the whole ride because it is connected directly to the battery. Make sure the engine is also on so it won't drain the battery. The Sentry mode requires a lot more movement before it triggers. But I've kept it to medium setting because the high setting was rather sensitive. Adding to that, it gave me an added sense of security knowing my bike is equipped with the Sentry mode. Admittedly, it comes with a price, but the value that it adds to your motorcycle and riding itself sure is worth it. So if you have any questions or inquiries about the Chigee AIO5, please feel free to comment down below and like and subscribe. Again, this is Neo of New Blitz Moto. As always, ride safe and see you on the roads.
Pwede ba dyan? Ingat.